YouTube, what's up, what's good, what's happening? It's your boy wavyy. I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, we in the scat. Y'all already knew that though. But my homeboy just hit me up and said it was a little car meet out here in VA, so you know we gotta check that out. I've been looking for some content out here for a minute, so if it's a car meet on there, we're gonna go out here and see what kind of cars they got. We're gonna see if they might be coming harder than Carolina. We're gonna see though. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all stay tuned. We're gonna see what kind of cars they got in VA, man. Alright, y'all, we out here, but I think I caught the end of it, man. I started seeing a lot of cars leaving out when I was pulling up, but it's still decent out here. They got a lot of music playing and shit, but it's right here hard. You gotta clean under the hood. 5.0. That's hard.
How much for a new soul? Cause I traded mine for the fame of God.
Let that shit ride, 88.
But at the end of the day, I've got my family on top. And now I'm only dropping first thoughts. Can put a price on my happiness inside of God. How much for a new soul? 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 How much for a new soul?
Fit. Oh, drop top. It's Camaro hard too. Nice flakes in there. It's blue hard. Man, I like that. It's nice. My boy. My boy.
Huh?
We missed this jump, but it seemed like this jump was probably deep though.
I see you on the car.
Yeah, they was leaving when I was pulling up.
This is the one that got to be. That
Yeah. What the
What's the SS? All these
It's a 50th edition or something?
Huh?
50th edition or something? It's a crazy.
Let that
job.
shit ride, 88.
I like these stripes, man. Is that fashion or what? Like that.
Only dropping first thoughts. Can put a price on my happiness inside of God. How much for a new soul? How much for a new soul?
I like these stripes, bro. That's a 01 right there too, that block. Dream car, bro. I want one of them with the orange with the white stripes down. That's a dream car. Yeah, hit that bitch, it ain't.
Got this shit too. That shit crazy.
Bro, look at the color on that junk, bro. That junk is hard. That junk is hard, bro. If I get a Camaro though, it gotta be a manual. A coupe, it gotta be a manual, bro. Bro, that's a dream car, bro. That's the money right there. Look at that, man. Oh my goodness.
Let that shit ride, 88.
That just like you want to go with it, boy. I didn't know there was a 01. It must be an old one. They lame for having it.
much for a new soul? How much for a new soul?
Hey, yo, Pluto, you going brazen? Let that shit ride, 88. How much for a new soul? How much for a new soul?
Yeah. Only seen these on the game. Nice, clean Bronco Sport. Clean. Got a little trophy in there too. Oh. Hardest car in the lot. Hardest car in the lot. Let's get that. Excuse that. Hardest car in the lot right there. Had a part back here. I ain't want to take over the show, you know what I'm saying? This one right here probably so loud. This one probably so loud. Lost tip.
Another state, bro. Shit got kilometers on the day.
I ain't even see that little blue junk over there. Alright, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on if we find the next spot, man. Right now, this right here, it's the end of this right here, so we're gonna try to see if we can find another spot. I'll turn y'all back on.